Hello everyone, welcome to 3ddesignacademy.com. In this lesson, we will learn about the Curve Planarize tool. The tool is located under Curve Edit, and it is the 6th tool right here. And what the tool allows you to do is it changes a curve so that all the CVs lie on the same plane. Now, let me show you guys what I mean. Now, with a degree 2 curve, you'll be able to find the spot where all the CV structures line up like this. So even if I make a very drastic change like this, and maybe I'll just pull the CV like that, you'll always be able to find the spot where all the CV structures line up. Now, the same thing cannot be said for a degree 3 curve. Depending on the structure, you will not be able to find the spot where all the CVs line up. Now, this is very critical for clean model building because in Alias, a lot of the things have to do with having a very clean CV structure. So what the Curve Planarize tool is that if you have a curve like this, it allows you to planarize it so that all the CVs line up on the same plane. So let me show you guys how it's done. So all you have to do is just grab the tool, grab a curve that you want to planarize, and press go. And basically it's going to, well, there is going to be some deviation, but it's going to get it as close as possible. And you'll see that this degree 3 curve is now planarized so that depending on the view, you'll be able to find a spot where all the CV structure all the CVs line up like this. So this is now, it might not look like much, but this is actually very critical for clean model building. So this is something of tool that you might want to take a note of when you're building your model. Okay, so that's the Curve Planarize tool. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.